Hey guys, welcome back. A recipe for today. So rundown brown stew fish. It's a recipe I got nice, eatable, tastable, delicious. Remember Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. See it there, like coconut sauce. I cook under the fish there, yeah. And so we put it eat already. Recipe nice, eatable, tastable. So I'm gonna show you all of the ingredients them I'm using my recipe. So the yam, the sweet potatoes, so the pot there. Yes, my peeps, you can see. See seasoning, ketchup, onion, Irish, garlic, pepper, scallion. You can see fish right there, some water. See the vinegar they add to the fish and things. So you have to prepare the fish. If you have some vinegar, you have to cut to the rawness and thing, my peeps. See what are the spice, what are the ingredients, see the flour, see the caramel there. Yeah, my peeps, you can see it. So starting by washing the fish with running water and thing, my peeps. Remember, you have to wash the fish nice and clean. You know, the fish are raw and similar way, so use the vinegar first. Use some running water. So I wash my fish 2 times, my peeps. So I'm gonna throw off the water. Alright, that's the way I'm throw off my water from fish now. Yeah. So I'm gonna run some different fresh water on it. So you have to wash the fish properly. In the water, so if you water down and now see fish there, see season them there. Onion, pepper, garlic, scallion, thyme, ginger. Yes, so but on the fish to flavor it, so they got some powder seasoning. Yes, see presentation the powder seasoning there. Yes, my peeps, remember, it's a recipe I got nice, eatable, tastable. So I'm starting by rub up the fish now together, peeps. Yeah, so I'm season up the fish right here. Well, some people I use gloves, but I use because this is my grandfather use. Yeah, so I show the old time days them. Some people put on them gloves for the fish bone. Fish bone now drop me so easy because I use to them things. So I say peeps, yeah, so I season up fish right here. Well soak a season and things, so yeah. Rubbing the season on my fish and thing, my peeps. Yeah, see me I go on my mustard my fish. I go on myself, lumberjack I go on himself, my peeps. So recipe I go eatable, tastable, delicious, finger licking, remember. Rundown, brown stew fish. Yes, my peeps. So we'll cover the fish and if you go and stay for 10 minutes. Yes, my peeps, yeah. So move on, see recipe there. Here's a preview that peeps. Yes, see potato there. Wash it off on the water, I don't know. Cleanliness, not godliness. So we remove all the dirt before we peel it. Because we don't want to see potato full of dirt, so wash it off first. See peel and pretty there. Presentation, wash it off again some another clean, pretty running water. Yes, my peeps, remember to like and share Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. We have some garlic and pepper and thyme. So we have add it to the oil now. Yes, see the oil here so hot and thing with peeps. Yes, so the fish now. See the fish to another preview. Well soaking a season. See flour knead up right there. You can see flour. So we have add the fish to the pot now peeps here. So please look step by step and try this recipe and tell me about it. The recipe I got nice, eatable. Please watch the video to the end, like and share and subscribe. Yeah, my peeps, I drop the fish in the pot, well hot and thing. The recipe is tastable, delicious, finger licking, eatable. Yes, my peeps. So fish them and thing in the pot, peeps, yeah. And I set them on, set them over, set them, yeah. I know the pot small, so I don't know the fish them big. See flour knead up and things, the water boils, we add the flour to the boiling water. Please make the water boil first. Starting washing off my yam and thing, because I don't want the dirt on the yam. So I wash off it clean and pretty and running water. Peeps, here. You can see. Wash it off. Remove all the dirt from the sink. I carry dirt go down to the sink, it's block out the sink, you see what I say? Yes, so I remove that dirt, put in a rubbish pan. Yes, my peeps. Water run the yam clean and pretty and now. I have a speck of dirt. Leave on the yam, so we have to pick up the dirt them and put them in a rubbish bin. See the fish are fried, the presentation of the pot and things, the yam them peel and ready. See, you can see what I go on, see dumpling at the pot, little peeps, another preview, yeah. See spice them they put on the fish. Yes, my peeps. So you know I'm going to add the sweet potato to the pot and now and thing, because you dumpling there boil up back and thing, yeah. Starting by adding the sweet potato to the pot and thing, peeps, yeah. You can see what I go on. I let that boil up and thing down, so we put in the boiling water, see dumpling them there, full on top here. So I go see fish there. Fry and things, see the yam peel and wash off presentation, them peeps, yeah. So you know I got add the yam to the pot and thing down, see there, yeah. See all of the spice then, so you add the yam to the pot, you know, so you have to put the yam in the boiling water, same, yeah. So you dumpling and the yam in the pot like you want to cook. So you have to turn the fish them to the fish them well golden brown or fry the peeps. So you have to turn them when they fry. Yes, my peeps. Yeah, so you turn the fish there. Lumberjack can go on themselves and turn them on thing, because I don't want them burn out. You have to have some peeps, so I have to turn them. But I watch the fish I'm looking at. I just see scallion and put on the pot first, and the thyme, and the garlic and the pepper. Give it an extra flavor on peeps. So the recipe I got nice, eatable, tasteable, delicious. You dumpling and you have boil and sweet potato boil and thing there. See fish them with crystal brown and thing them with peeps, yeah. So you know the next step I'm see them here. Brown up the carrot them and thing on me. Pepper and garlic, and put some vinegar, so the coconut juice there. Yeah, my peeps, remember run down brown stovefish, so I put the coconut, show step by step, coconut powder, some seasoning if you get some extra flavor peeps here. Add some water to it down to the coconut powder and thing, all of the spice them and thing them peeps here. So you add some ketchup to get the next flavor again more peeps. So you know, so you have a lot of pot if you want to boil up. You get a little more seasoning, a little more flavor here. Like the pot you go and boil up and thing down peeps here. So you cool the cook and ready, you know, so soon ready to eat. So when that boil up down and go down, you put the fish them in it, you know, peeps, now that update there. See that boil and thing there, so you add the fish them to it now. Yes, my peeps, remember Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Please like and share. Guys, it's a recipe and nice, eatable, tasteable, delicious. Yes, my peeps. So you know what next step I know. We're gonna add the fish them to the coconut sauce. Yes, so you know say coconut run down, brown stove fish, but we use the powder instead of the coconut peeps, yeah. So recipe I got nice man, so I put in the fish them and thing there. Yeah, my peeps, the fish them are going in the coconut sauce there. Yeah, my peeps, so you don't know the spoon small, tell about the spoon get a fork instead of a spoon there, because the spoon is too small. Yes, my peeps. Going to lock my pot and fix the fish them good and good on the sauce and things. So I'm going to pot and peas and go and cook for around 10 minutes. Yes, I lock it down and things. You know, it's that plate cover I use. Yeah. It a bubble down there, it a go down and I think like sauce and thing piece, remember. Run down, brown stew fish. It's a recipe and nice, eatable. Remember Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Please like and share. Remember to subscribe my peeps, yeah. Like you want to call in 5 minutes more again the peeps. Now I update there. You know the fish soon ready now. It want to go down some more peeps. So I give it the next 5 more minutes again. Yeah, so I shake up the pot and think we don't want it itching up peeps. Remember say burn up food now and going so we don't want to itch up like pot and things, so we shake it up, make it come together. But no say a spoon smaller, so it goes the next time I get a bigger spoon. The peeps now we're on yourself. It's a recipe and nice, eatable, tasteable. Please try this recipe and tell me about it, peeps. Leave it in the comment. Yes, peeps, the recipe I got nice one, tasteable. And the plate more I eat peeps, so like it but now eat the next 5 more minutes. Now that update again peeps it there. It go down or more want it, but it want go down some more peeps. You don't know anything. We have to get the gravy on our levels, or we want the gravy. Like gravy can't turn water to the fish, the presentation and things. You know, so you have next 2 to 3 more minutes night and things, because the gravy come together the peeps, so we don't want it dry out, because we got dumpling and yam. And the yam take a lot of gravy and things, my peeps, right? Yeah. So you know it's a recipe. Please remember to like and share and subscribe. 7 times fall, 7 times rise. Not believe in the falling thing. Big up Father God first and everything. Big up Warrior and big up Sexy Body Girl. See the presentation, the fish done and thing. Yes, my peeps, see recipe there. So you see dumpling in yam, sweet potato, the Irish and the carrot, everything. And see the fish. Remember to like and share. It's a recipe and nice, eatable, tasty. Right now, peeps, I'm hungry. Right now, beer water mouth around the peeps. See presentation, you can see coconut custard. Peeps, I tell you, it's be nice.